Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we can propagate roses with the help of aloe vera plant. Now to look at this, take a few branches of the rose plant with the help of cutter. Look at this. I can remove the top layer and also the tree skin glue. Just I can add a tree skin glue to the cuttings. Now I can cut this piece with the help of cutter. Look at this. I just simply remove the top layer of skin from these cuttings. Simply cut the top layer of skin, which is also called bark. Also remove the extra branches, the extra piece of branches. Now it is ready. Look at this. Now take one aloe vera plant. Simply you can cut a piece. Now look at this. I can cut a piece of aloe vera plant, which is equal to the piece of rose plant, which I remove the bark of rose plant. Look at this. No, the gel is ready. The gel is running. Look at this. Now simply add the branch which I cut, place the branch and tie it with the help of tider. Now remove the extra tider. So I can prepare a, now cover it, properly cover it with the shopping bag and also tie it. And this cannot prevent, now add fertilizer in it. Both the and water it. Fertilizer water is also essential for the proper growth and development of a plant. Now take a while. This is also my propagation after 10 days. Look at this. The branches are germinating. Look at this. The leaves are propagating. The buds will start germinating. Look at this. The buds start germinating after 1 month. I can cut the tider. Look at this. The branches are, there's a lot of branches are germinating. Look at this. The roses start germinating, start propagating. It is an easy method, homemade method. You can also propagate roses from with the help of aloe vera. Look at this. There's the new branches, full time leaves. It start germinating, growing very well. Aloe vera give nutrition to the plant. Look at this. Simply you can grow multiple. Look at this, the bougainvillea. I also propagate bougainvillea. Now I separate the aloe vera plant from rose. I got the piece. Now I cut it from the main plant. Look at this. There are rootings are germinating, rootings are growing from the aloe vera plant. Now I take it and sow into the pot. Also cut aloe vera plant and make it into a small pieces. Look at this. I cut a whole leaf and we mix it with the soil. And now I add organic fertilizer. Now bury it all the showing exposing aloe vera plant with the help of soil. Look at this. I can cover whole aloe vera pieces and organic fertilizer. Now water it. Now we can place some 2 months later. You can look at this. It start germinating, propagating. Now I can place some helping stands with him. Look at this. The pruning is very important. And now add little fertilizer, which is very important. Fertilizer is very important for the better propagation and growth of the plant. Now I add fertilizer and water it. You can regularly add water to the plant. After 6 months it start germinating. Look at this. The cuttings are growing very well, and there are roses are growing on it. You can also see it. You can also do it at home. It is important and easy method of propagation of roses with the help of cutting and aloe vera. Aloe vera basically, look at this. It is a flower start propagating, flower start blooming. Look at this. This is my today video. Thank you so much for watching video. Like and subscribe for more interesting videos.